everyone! This Watershed walk takes place on the beautiful green pastures of Walkerville Farms, where we hosted a volunteer tree planting event back in September. If you follow our socials, you may know already that this was a major restoration site this summer. Wards Creek runs right through the property, exposed to the summer sun and the destructive hoof traffic of cattle. The Walker family generously provided over 9 acres of riparian setback for us to conduct bank stabilization work and restore balance to this agricultural ecosystem. First, we installed fencing to keep cattle from the riparian zone as we backsloped and replanted the area with grass, willow stakes, and native trees. And there are always trees to be planted, so help for volunteers is significant. Not only because we managed to get over 180 trees in the ground this day, but also because their in-kind support helps leverage further financial support from our sponsors. I want to mention that we have done work on the Walker property in the past. This footage was taken of the section we planted with willow back in 2009. Just look at how it has filled in. Those roots are reducing the effects of erosion and flooding, the leaves are shading the water, keeping it cool for fish. This is how we hope our current work will one day look. Thanks again to the Walker family for their cooperation over the years, to our volunteers who offer their time and efforts on this sunny Saturday morning, and to our funding partners who make this all possible. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and follow us on social media to keep up with our environmental endeavors and future volunteer events. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next time.